Assalamualaikum everyone. Do you familiar with this, and this? And do you know how to produce them? No? So today with me, Emma and Tim gonna show you how to prepare their solution. Let's go.
We are in laboratory now. Don't forget to wear complete PPE such as gloves, closed shoes and lab coat. Why do we need this? Imagine if the chemicals spill on our body. Very dangerous. Now, back to our main objective. In this experiment, we will show you how to prepare 100 cm cube of 2 molar aqueous sodium hydroxide. First thing first, some calculation need to be done to know how much grams of solid sodium hydroxide used to prepare the solution. So here, how the calculations are done. Let's proceed to next step. In this video, you will see the apparatus that we use to do this experiment. We have volumetric flask, filter funnel, wash glass, dropper, glass rod, spatula, and 50 ml beaker. Important step to do is rinse all the apparatus before we use them. It is to avoid from the other chemical left in the apparatus mixed together with our solution. It will affect on purity of the solution. Based on the calculation, we need 8 grams of sodium hydroxide to prepare the solution. Using analytical balance to weigh 8 grams of sodium hydroxide on wash glass. When the analytical balance shows 0.00 gram, put a few capsules of sodium hydroxide on the wash glass. Keep on putting the capsule of sodium hydroxide on wash glass until the analytical balance reaches 8 grams. Pour the solid sodium hydroxide into the beaker. Rinse the wash glass. Why we have to do this process? It is because to make sure a little bit of leftover sodium hydroxide fully put in the beaker. Dissolve the sodium hydroxide with some volume distilled water. Stir gently the solution with glass rod until all dissolve. Transfer the solution to volumetric flask through filter funnel and place a glass rod to the back of the beaker during transferring process. Rinse the beaker with some volume of distilled water and transfer the solution in volumetric flask with the same manner. Also, rinse the glass rod and filter funnel. Add required amount of distilled water into the volumetric flask until close to calibration mark. dropwise of distilled water using dropper to adjust the solution volume to mark level. This is how minuscules looks like. Make sure your eyes are straight to the mark to avoid uncertainty happen. Close the volumetric flask and shake well to mix the solution. And now we have done with our 100 cm cube 2 molar of sodium hydroxide solution. What we can do with this solution? Keep it? No, we are gonna pour it into a chemical waste container. But before that, we add more water in volumetric flask to decrease the concentration of the solution. Make sure to pour it into the correct container.
这次我真的睡着了。
Finally, we are done with our lab session. Importantly, don't forget to rinse and put the apparatus back to the right place, okay? From the experiment, we already achieved the objective. Good job and see you next time.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
So we gon' keep climbing to the mountaintop.